Hello guys, this is Isrrael Olivares from Tijuana, Baja California, Mexico. So this is the first video in English language because I have many messages of people asking me to share my content in English language. So there are many people that for sure is not from Mexico but wants to understand about automation topics. I'm sure that there are many automation engineers that share his knowledge in another videos, but I want to share also of my way to share my knowledge to this kind of people. So this video has two goals. One of them is make a new project with Studio 5000 where we will use this PLC compactlogix model L24ER. Also we will configure these two expansion modules, and to finish we will add this remote I/O. It is a point I/O with 3 expansion modules. So let's start it. So the first step, and the more important in the communication section, it is to make sure that your PLC is in the same domain than your laptop, right? So now I know that my laptop and my PLC and my point I/O have the same domain, but in properties Internet version 4 I will see the IP address of my laptop, so I'm sure that my PLC and my remote I/O have the same domain, 192.168.1. This node is about my laptop. I will see in Isrrael's link the next software to use what node is using my PLC and what node is using my remote I/O. So I will close these windows. I will open Isrrael's links. We know that for Allen Bradley we need to use Isrrael's links to communicate with my elements. So now I have a driver. This one, ABETHIP1, is the driver that already exists in Isrrael's links, but I will create a new one. Communication, configure drivers, available driver types. I need to choose, in this case, Ethernet IP address, because we are using Ethernet cables, Ethernet protocol, right? So Ethernet IP address, add new. I will put the name Pro Control, okay, and I will, okay, we cannot leave this space between words, so Pro Control, okay. I will choose the IP address of my laptop, apply, okay, close. Here we have the new drivers. I will expand this driver, and now I can see my PLC and my remote I/Os. We can see that my PLC has node 33 and my the remote I/O has the IP 33 and my PLC 150.133, right? And my laptop, we remember 77, right? So now we can see that we can see our components. So that's very good. I will open Studio 5000. I will click new project. I will choose my PLC. In this case is L24ER QBFC1B. Name again Pro Control Automation. Next. Which revision I need to choose? The revision that the Isrrael's links it will show us. Right click, device properties, revision 33. So I will leave 33 here and I will click finish. So now we load the Studio 5000 platform. The next step is to configure and add the new expansion modules. we have two expansion modules here, right? So this one, we can see the part number opening the door, and in this size say the part number. So let's open 5000. Is loading, still loading, so let's wait a couple seconds. Let's see the revision of that modules. The first module, the expansion module, is revision 3.1, and also we can see the revision over here, device properties, and the revision is 3. That's okay. And the second one is device properties is 3 as well. This one, the slot 0 is for the CPU. 1, 2, and 3 are the embedded modules, right? So now we have opened the platform, main program, main routine. We can see the letter diagram is empty for sure, is new one. So in expansion module and expansion IO, we will click new module, right click new module. OW16 is the part number of that module. I will name relay revision 3. Slot 4, it's okay. So in the left side we have this module already configured. So let's do the next one. Will be IQ32. I will name inputs and revision 3. By default it is okay. Okay, close. So already we have these two modules configured. So missing the remote IO. What part of our remote IO we have? We have here 1734 AENTR. Right click in Ethernet, new module, AENTR, this one, name remote, IP 33, revision, right click, device properties 3. We have only 6. We can leave 6, but activate disable keying. And chassis size, we have 4. The adapter plus 3 modules, we have 4. Yes, okay, close. And already we have our remote IO here, and in point IO for slot chassis, right click, new module, and the first module part number is IBA. Module 1, right click, 3 and 3. It's okay. So okay, the first one already configured. Next one, OP8 module 2, revision 3, it's okay. Slot 2. The last one, 232 module 3, revision 3. Only we have 4, so I will activate disable keying to inhibit the revision requisition. Okay, close, and let's start to download. If we get all these indicators in stay green and the IO okay stay green, was a good configuration. communication, coactive, pro control, and let's select our PLC. Click set project path and download. Download, and let's see what is happening. Finalizing download. Downloading. Change controller mode back to remote room. Yes, and we can see already everything. It is okay. So let's do some testing to see that was correctly this configuration. So already we have the indicator okay, stay green, so that says that everything it's okay, at least in the configuration. So I will, to test this configuration, I will activate all the bits of the PLC, the slot 1 output, and also the outputs of the remote I/O. I will go to the project. I will go to control tags, local 1 outputs, and we have already the 16 bits available. So I will put 1, 1, 1, 1 to everyone, just to directly activate these bits. And also, well, let's see. Now we have activating all the bits of outputs about this PLC, and also I will turn on these bits of the remote I/O. So I will go to this one, is 0, 1, 2, module 2. So remote I/O 2, all of outputs, and we have 8 bits available because that module only has 8 bits, right? So I will put 1 to everyone, and let's see if the bits are activated. And yes, for sure, activating the output of I/O and also of the PLC. So that's it. See you later in another video about automation topics. I hope this video was useful for you. So see you later.